Hey people, so I'm at this place called Aggarwal Sweets, and I've come here. Normally it's my child who comes on the camera and all, but today I had some passport work, so I decided to treat myself alone to this. So here you have chum chum for 35 bucks, I think, 30 bucks, and bhel puri for 60 bucks. So as you can see, it's a just cute place to hang out and sit, really. So when I took a look at the menu, within 100 bucks, it like within 200 bucks, it's a meal for two. Basically it's all snacks and Agarwal sweets, as you can see. So I would recommend this place in case you're in college and you just want to hang out with friends. Probably you get some really good stuff for fairly reasonable price. It's of course little on the higher side, but considering you have a place to sit and it's on the main road, so I think even they need to earn, right? So yeah, I'm about to taste this. This is chum chum for 30 bucks, 30 or 35, and bhel puri for 60 bucks. So Agarwal Sweets, it is very close to Sindhi colony. In fact, it's on the main road, right next to Natural Ice Creams in Hyderabad, in Secunderabad, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.